and thank you for joining me on this live um, video. I just felt a burden to share with us, and that's why I'm doing this short video. And something came up very early this morning, and I was a bit bothered, and I felt I should just share with some of us, all of us that will watch this video later on. It's about, you know, this our online space and how people are really doing what they can to get rich quick. And I think it's becoming crazy. It's becoming very crazy. And I decided to shoot this short video to help somebody out there. This guy slided into my DM this morning, and his identity concealed because he has become my friend now. Just telling me that saw one of my courses online, and he feels that I should my course would be a very great deal for him to enroll in. And I told him what he should do to enroll for my course. And few minutes after he called me, it was like, what is my what is the program all about, or what is the product all about? I said, product? I said, program? Oh, well, this is a training. It's a skill acquisition training, and it will teach you how to do a couple of things yourself. The next thing he will say is, I want to make money. I just want to make. I said, make money? Get. Do you mean you want to make quick money? He said, yes. I'm just desperate about making money. I said, no, 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 no. My course is actually not for you, because I don't teach people how to get rich quick. I believe so much in process, and I believe so much in skill and value, acquisition. So if you are skillful and you are valuable, then money will flow to you effortlessly. It was like, I thought your course will just make me get money immediately. I just want to be wealthy. I just want to be rich. I now asked him some questions. I said, what skill do you have? I said, what qualification do you have? Say, what can you do with your hands? Do you have, the handwork that you can, really monetize and get people to pay you for? He told me he has a certificate. What type of certificates do you have? He couldn't say. What type of skill do you have? He couldn't say. I was like, and you are sure you really want to make money in this day and age? So that was how he got just he felt remorse about that, and I had to just tell him, one or two things about life, that you can't really make um money, or do anything thought while if you don't have value, and your value is as a result of the what you can bring to the table for other people to see. And it became something, really, really very, very, it became a turning point for me really this morning, that could we still have youths in Nigeria that are interested in getting rich quick? Wow, I don't feel that is right. Here is my take. The online space is filled with a lot of opportunities for you, to make it, to start making some things for yourself. And but the truth that most of our big guys in the digital world will not tell you, that you need to invest time, you need to invest money, you need to invest effort and hard work. They won't tell you that. Maybe perhaps because they want to sell their products, they want to sell their services. No, some of them, only a few of them will tell you to your face that, guy, you need to work, you need to work yourself, to success. And that's my position, that's my take. Whenever you are trying to look for, planning to do a get rich quick, you are having a get rich quick plan, please think about it very well. Think about it very well. And I told him, um do you know those people that promise you that they will make you rich in the next 90 days, or in the next 150 days, or in the next 30 days? Do you know what they will do? They will only sell their product to you, and they leave you, to try your head around everything. And I know since a few minutes ago, he has and I've promised that I will still get back to him, so that I'll be looking at what skill he can learn to start making, a decent pay. So my advice to you youth watching this video, or you watch this video later, is please, please, please calm down. Calm down. Get a skill. Be a pro at a skill. Please. All this investing in A, investing in B, and at the end of the day you won't even get anything. It's not worth it. Please, you need to calm down, sit down, have a plan with your life, have a skill. Start positioning yourself as a go-to man. That is when people can come to you, and they will give value. They will give money for the value you are rendering. So thank you for your time and for watching this video. The next time you are thinking about making quick money online, please always think about what skill set do you have, what plan do you have in place, what contact, what network do you have. If you don't have any of this, then please, you can still do well to start learning. Continue to learn. Learning doesn't kill. Continue to be good at what you are doing. A day will come whereby people will answer to your beck and call. Thank you for your time. I am Uncle Alikama. I help people get what they need legitimately using the prevailing digital technology. And I will see you some other time. Bye.